Hello and welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to be taking a look at the E major chord, okay? So this is a nice and easy one. If you don't know your way around the fretboard and you don't know which strings are which, do check out the video that's just linked above. That'll give you a breakdown on how to understand all of that. But otherwise, you're in the right place to start. Let's go. So just diving in for a close look at the E major, and there's going to be a diagram up on the screen as well so that you can see exactly what's going to go on. We're going to need to use 3 of our fingers and just 2 of the frets, frets 1 and fret number 2. The first thing you want to do is take your index finger, you want to put on string number 3 on fret number 1. Then your middle finger that goes on string number 5, fret number 2, and your ring finger goes below that. So that's going to be string number 4, also fret number 2, and you play all of the strings. And that is how you play E major. Now, to make sure that it's sounding clean every time and to make sure that you are completely comfortable just actually building that chord, I'd recommend that as soon as you've played it, take your fingers off, put them back on, play again, and just continue to do that. Get used to the feel of that chord in your hand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was useful, and if you do want to go ahead and learn a few more chords, then do check out the other videos in this playlist. Adios.